am going to spend the whole night with this girl. Benny.
Why the whole night?
Easy. You see this girl? Once you enter inside the room with her, hey, it is until the next morning, no?
Yeah. Again, that's nada yo. Nada yo.
Is it me? What's you? See, let me tell you. What is in me is greater than what is in her. Benny! You see, let me tell you. If you get home, tell my wife that I will not come back. That the person that is supposed to relieve me from work called and say he cannot come, that is in the hospital. So I have to run all the whole night shift.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay. You don't have problem with that. I will convey your message.
Benny. So let's enjoy ourselves. That is it now.
Order some more bottles of beer.
I don't worry, watch out in my jet. Order
for 4 bottles of it.
There's no problem, is it? You will drink and eat. I'm gonna get.
Why is he not picking his calls? Eh? Come in, the door is not locked. Oh, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
What about my husband?
That is why I'm here. The person who is supposed to relieve your husband called to say that he is sick, that he will not make it. So your husband had no option than to stay put and cover. Otherwise, he will lose his job.
Is that why he's not picking his calls? He's not picking his calls. Eh? You know, he would have called to inform me.
Yes. I heard him say that he had no credit, that he would have called you, to inform you about the changes.
As in, which kind you get credit? How much be credit? How much is credit? As in, if he buy 200, even 100 naira credit, call me. At least call me, tell me, say no, come back. As in, not like that.
That is why I am here, to inform you.
I don't hear.
All right. Take care of yourself, eh?
Oh.
Tomorrow morning, we will definitely be back, yeah?
I don't hear.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
So you knew you were not going to come back last night. And I was calling you. You didn't even bother calling me back. You ignored my call totally. My calls. Because it wasn't just once. You ignored my calls totally. Baba Bosse, I am suspecting you.
You know that? Suspecting me of what? Mama Bosse? But I passed a message to Eze. Didn't he give you my message in it?
Which message?
You were calling me. I did. In fact, by that time I was busy with my supervisor. And I do not have credits. Mama Bosse, I don't know this one. You said you are suspecting me. So you don't want me to cover for my sick colleague? Just one night. Ale compare, you are already sounding like this. Ilode.
Why won't I sound like this? No, you tell me. Why won't I sound like this? For the fact that I'm calling your calls I am calling your number and you're ignoring my calls is enough to suspect you.
Mama Boss, Oribe, you see, let me tell you, I only took excuse to come to the house to come and bath, eat, and go back to the work this morning. That is just it. I'm still going back to work. Now.
Wait, you mean you're still going back to work this morning?
Of course, now. I am still going back to work. Besides, I don't know if that my sick colleague will still come back to work this night. If he did not come back, that means I will still cover him up. See, go and get my food ready. Let me go and bath so I can go back to work.
Baba Boss, you know it's not possible. You know it is not possible. Because I won't let you. I no go gree o. I no go let you go back to that work today. I no go allow you.
So you want me to resign?
I'm not letting you go.
Go and get my food ready. Let me go and bath.
No, wait, let me ask you. Are you the only one at that your working place? Are you the only one at that your working place? Won't they tell another person to cover the guy up? Must you be the one to cover your colleague up? I'll not let you go. I'll go and get... Yes, I'll go and get your food. You eat, but I will not let you go. You are not covering anybody up.
Boss, are these all the assignments you want me to do for you?
Yes,
Hey. Okay. I will do it.
I wish you to do it so I can learn.
Yeah. I should do it so you will learn.
Yeah.
I'll do it later, okay?
Okay.
Right now, I am very busy. So I'll do it and I'll teach you how I did it. The most important thing is for me to do it well, right? I'll show you how I did it. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Caro.
Right.
Caro, my crush.
You've come again. Which one is your crush again?
Caro, which one? I've come again. You called me and you said I've come again.
That's not what I mean now. Which one is crush
But
again?
you know in my heart you're my crush. But that's by the way. So here I am now. Do whatever you wish to do with me. Caro, you're enjoying only you in this house.
Right. See these books here. They're for Bossy. I want you to help me do her assignment. You know, I've had a whole lot of stressful day today. My mind is not just settled to do anything.
Caro, that woman is the most troublesome of this compound. Why did you get close to her to this extent?
Right, I did not say Mama Bossy. I said Bossy. Are you going to do it or not?
I will do it, but you know now. You know, on one condition.
Just do it. I'll give you food. That's the only thing you're good for.
I didn't mean like that too. Like, you don't give me. I can do it. I will do it in twinkle of an eye. No problem. Give me. I know I can do anything for you. Caro.
Make sure you don't do mistake, oh. If not, she'll come and say, yeah, I did not pay attention.
I made mistake. If I can, it's involved.
What shall I eat? Check this on the door.
Is Auntie Carol? She helped me do my assignments.
Caro? How? Did I ask you to go to meet her?
No, Mom.
By the way, how are you sure she's going to get the assignment correctly?
Because she's my auntie.
Because she's your auntie. Was I not an auntie before I got married to your daddy? Please listen up. Stop going to meet her for any reason. I don't like that girl. I don't like her. I don't want her association. Did you hear me?
Yes, Mom. Mom, but Dad is not around, so who else will help me do my assignments?
Hey. Caretaker, our caretaker. Caretaker, we're strong past the landlord himself. Our caretaker, he's an officer of the law. He dey run the yard like saying a military mission. Our caretaker, every offense he gets his own penalty. Our caretaker, everybody run. Our caretaker, they go. Our caretaker with the tenants, they fear past the landlord. Our caretaker, caretaker, our caretaker. If you enter his trap.
Mama Fred, please come. How are you?
Good afternoon. I'm fine. How work?
Fine. I have not seen you for some time now. What's happened?
Okay, my sister that stays at MNA invited me and I went to see her and she asked me to stay for a while.
Okay, that's okay. Please, did you by any chance tell your son about what we did? You give him information about what we do.
Caretaker. Now what for you? Me? It's not possible now. If my son Fred get to know about it, the entire world will hear. I can't do such a thing.
Me myself, I'm confused because I think that boy has a knowledge. He has a knowledge about what happened. He gets information because the way he was talking to me, the time I met him, what he said, you know, get as he won't be. That boy has first-hand information. Maybe he saw us from the window or something. He's not behaving like somebody that did not see us that day.
How come? Who told him? Well, as from the window, I don't think so. Everyone was locked now. Who told him? When you go up on here?
I don't know.
Well, you know my son is very intelligent and smart. Fred is very smart. Maybe he wants to use style to bring words out of your mouth. So you have to stand on your ground, Gidibam. Make sure you don't tell him anything. In fact, nothing happened between two of us.
You the advice first man. Now first man you the advice. Madam, I work with the Criminal Investigating Department of the Nigerian Police, CID. So I know everything. In fact, let me give you work now. Let me give you small assignment. You have to take your son on an interrogation. Interrogate him. Bring out words from his mouth. Make sure he doesn't know anything. Ask him questions. If he knows something, you look for a way and clean everything. Use light, block everywhere.
Well, I don't hear you. No wahala. Come.
Before I forget, you told me that you are going to pay the other part of the house rent. Now, Shebi, you said I should remove half. That day I did only 2 rands now. You said that 2 rands is for the half payment that I'm going to remove. So when are you going to complete your house rent?
Caretaker. I said I will pay, isn't it? But for now, money no dey.
I don't understand.
I don't have money to pay.
Why are you being sarcastic?
No, wait till you don't understand. No be you tell me say, if I allow you do, everything about the house rent don't die.
As the owner of the house or as manager?
You do, abi you no do.
Waiting with that. Bring your voice down. Why are you shouting?
You do, abi you no do.
It's okay now.
You say that house rent, I no get money.
You say?
If I go pay, now when I get money, I him I go pay. Don't worry me. Son day. The weather is hot.
Jesus! Hey, madam! They don't play with people rent too. Ha! You see the problem with relating with women. If na 2 men discuss this thing now, as we discuss and na so it go be. You see? She don't lose guard me. Next thing now, when you dey do it, no. Because I don't cross my lane with this thing now. You want to throw somebody's house rent overboard. But you go not say no officer you dey deal with. The law will grant you. Kwagi go say. Problem.
Mom, my teacher said I'm best in class today. He told me that the person who helped me do my assignment deserves to be a teacher. I told you Auntie Carol is intelligent. Mom, you have to go and thank her. At least it will make her happy.
Okay. I'll go and thank her. Just go.
Come in.
Hey.
Papa Bossy. Good evening, sir. Welcome.
Well, I'm gidi. Ugao. Well,
Thank you, sir.
how should I done? Yeah. You see, I said I should just come and thank you for the assignment to share from Omomi. You see, I really appreciate, and also, I have been so busy that I could not return to the house for the past 2 days. And you see, her mother, Iyabo, said, hey, you know she's mentally not sharp to have done that assignment for her. But you, Carol, hey, Omogidi, you saved my daughter.
Papa Bossy, it's fine. I mean, Bossy is a young, promising girl that needs all the kindness and help that she can get. So it is in our place to make sure that she gets all. You're welcome, okay? Any other thing?
Carol, this cooperation between you and I, you see, I will like this cooperation to continue. You scratch my back, I scratch your own back. You are not a small child, Carol. You understand what? Not in the assignment too, but in the other aspect. Girl, fine place. Hello. Hello.
These married men in this compound, I don't trust them. I'll be here watching these married men we first missed like this deal. Huh?
Baby, oh my love, oh, I no go use your play, oh. Anytime you want to, I go love my baby. My baby, now you do make me shiver. Oh. Hello, babies. Hello, babies. What is going on here? What is happening? What is my problem? Why are they facing now? Say a piece of face like this, like say a person where I don't throw away money. Like say I don't listen my money home. Kare, babies!
Buchi, leave me alone. Leave me, let me just focus on my life. Leave me alone, let me face my life. I am tired of this. There is nothing you're going to tell me that will make me listen to you. Leave me alone! Good night.
Carol, are you okay? What's wrong?
Fred, you're here.
Yes, I'm fine. You don't look fine. Anything I can do for you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, I was in my room and something tells me that Carol is not feeling fine. So that's why I decided to come and check. But since you say you're fine, no problem. Or is there anything I can do for you?
Fred, I said I am fine.
Okay. What Obo say? She didn't give you assignment to do for her?
Fred, I said I'm fine!
Okay.
Leave!
No problem. I will leave now. But if you need me, just call me.
Leave!
I'm in my room. I will leave. In case you need my help, don't call me and give me. Ah, wow. This country. I'm tired. How can I be looking for work every day and yet nothing to show for it? I'm tired. Today I don't even have money for my movement. And my mother doesn't have to. What do I do now? This one Carol that would have helped me is in a bad mood. Maybe her boyfriend has offended her or something. That one will favor me. But if he leaves her, how will she be getting money and how will I be benefiting from her again? Am I even sure it's only him she's dating? Women. But what do I do now? How do I get money for my movements today? Should I go and confront the caretaker about his relationship with my mother? No, it's not yet time. Yes. Yes. I have an idea. It will work. Of course. I will.
I go there, hello. Hey, this particular one. This one go. Anybody will just take out and shut it down. This particular one. This customer, please, today I will say what you know good. Yeah. Hey, Oga Freddy. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, how you doing?
Fine, Oga.
How work, how market?
My brother, I just dey come out now. I don't know how market it go be today.
Don't worry, you go sell today.
Amen.
Today will happen well.
Amen.
You see Caro as he come back. See him later.
My brother, I see Caro where they come back. As I dey come back, I saw my face there like this. As I dey greet and wave is good morning, good afternoon, good night. I say I keep my face like this. Like say somebody wear the vest. I don't know if you are the vest. I don't even know.
Now like that, they do. Don't say that get the vest well. They provoke well.
Okay.
And if you can't find that will happen that day, you go provoke.
What will happen?
You go provoke and police station straight.
What will happen?
That day when you go the people and wash the back now, you don't forget. Like I tell you, I get the vest well. If she find out what happened that day, you go provoke na police station straight. Later, you go reach landlord. And you know when you reach landlord, straight na put notice. They go give you.
But Oga Freddy, why you can't they bring this matter come outside right now? So if I don't settle me, I don't bribe me before. Say make I know they talk am again. We can't bring her come out again.
We don't say no be once they settle this kind of matter. No be once they settle. I need to close her well so that the case go close finally. You just find me something so that I go close the matter, make it end. Like it just ends.
Oga Freddy, we be like say I no be better person for. We be like say I no be better person. I don't settle me before. I don't collect bribe. You won't collect another bribe again. It's not good though.
I help I dey help you. And just to help you, let the matter run down.
But no problem. No problem. Take this one.
No, complete that one. Complete this one now.
No, make you holy one, 500. So that if anything, if you hungry, me I will buy for something.
No, don't be like that. Don't say that two cases, landlord and police. So this one landlord, this one police. Just bring this one. Landlord, police, to settle the two matter.
But this thing where they do, I know good for.
Calm down, and now you come. Now nobody will hear the case again. Case closed, final. You understand?
With this one.
Calm down. You know, say I got my eyes on you.
No problem.
I got my eyes on you. So
me too, I got my eyes on you.
Calm down, So I'll be going now,
No problem, God go make me I go see that work today, yeah?
I will see.
No problem. Show go once a call. Well, let tell if you see that work, make I call me basket. I say go to look for work, I no go see anything. I get the money, go collect the money. 1,000 naira where I don't suffer make this morning. Maybe I go use and chop something now, I don't collect them. Well, let tell that work where they look for. If you see make I call me basket. Show go once a call. Every time you go to collect bribe. Now I say you no go even get anything for this life. See as the person do. They chop bribe. Sure go, Banza. Make I see that work, make I call him a basket.
Jamu, give me the drink.
Caretaker, you don't come.
That belle problem.
Okay, my belly, they tell me.
Original one, no.
Trust me now.
Okay.
You believe my medicine. One shot to go.
Make and two.
Yeah.
Sure, this one go stop their belly pain.
Trust me, this one a professional drugs. Once I take them, everything go clear once.
Confirm. My ancestors see you.
Yo, why? They see my face. Yo, why? There she go. Yo, why? Enter ko?
Hi, this one bad.
Hey.
Sure say this one go do the work, abi?
Hey, my brother, you go stop me right here now. I no go even pass 5 minutes. Everything I go stop.
Confirm.
Yo,
So how much?
the review?
The review now how much?
200.
200.
Yo, why?
I know when I come,
Eh?
When I show now.
I don't want to be this, and I never even sell anything.
You see as they be, abi? When you go to beg me next 2 months for your rent. You know, 200 and I see as your brother.
Okay, get a survey. And I mean, they open my business for me this morning. I never even sell anything more now. Which kind you can rubbish customer with this one? If I sell customer, then I don't want this kind of customer again.
Baby, I'm very sorry. Omalicham, I'm very, very, very sorry. See, it is not what you think, oh. That girl you saw me and her is my friend's girlfriend and not my girlfriend. They are quarreling. So my friend asked me to talk to her on his behalf. And that was what I was doing before you saw us. You know I cannot cheat on you now, baby.
Are you sure?
Of course, I'm too sure. In fact, I'm very sure.
Very, very sure.
I'm very, very sure.
Prove it.
Hi, Obiakwa. How do I prove it now? Okay, baby, this is what I'm going to do. This evening, I'm going to take you out. I'm going to invite the girl to come over. Then I will do some introduction between you and the girl. For you to believe me that I have nothing to do with this girl. Baby, Legodegi, you are too beautiful to be cheated on now. Hi. Legodi nwa bụ mmiri m. Hell! Pinom. Hell! Legodi veneli. Hi. No, you don't understand how beautiful you are. You are doctor's prescription. I told my doctor said I should be eating you 3 times in a day, morning, afternoon, and night.
It's okay.
Carol. Yeah, I am. What is the good news?
I did, Fred. You know I always have in mind, right? And you know I try my best to make you happy. Okay, so I decided to just do something very little for you this night. I kept food for you. Take it.
Okay. Yes. Only for me? All this food? Oh, thank you so much, Carol. You're a good neighbor.
Good? That's all I've been doing for you. Take care of you, so good is an understatement.
Oh, thank you. I don't know how to say this. Thank you.
And please return my plate after use.
Thank you so much. What can I say again? Thank you.
You're welcome.
I will return your plate immediately. Thank you. You know that thing?
Like what, actually?
Oh, thank you so much. Whatever. Thank you.
Caretaker, we're strong past the landlord himself. Our caretaker, he's an officer of the law. He run the yard like saying a military mission. Our caretaker, every offense he gets his own penalty. Our caretaker, everybody run. Our caretaker, they call our caretaker with the tenants. Fear past the landlord.
Mama Fred.
Yeah, hey! Mama Fred! Mama Alfred!
Caretaker.
Eh? What is today?
What is your... Why are you shouting my name? Again?
Madam, what is today?
I heard today is Sunday. Get the message.
Whose name is here on Sunday?
And so therefore...
Why haven't you gone to clean that toilet since morning?
Well, I am tired. If that is Sunday, I'm putting on a very beautiful gown. On your match if you gas a toilet.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by you are tired? You cannot go and clean the toilet. What do you mean?
Okay. What I mean is that I can't go to the toilet. Mami,
eh?
If truly you want that toilet to be as neat as you are, why not pick broom, carry bucket, go there and I'll be away
Chineke. Madam, Biko, hold on. Nke gini ji mezi. Nke mụ na gị ji makawazie maka wotara n'okwu iko or what?
Chema agwa gị first and last. N'ụwa gị niile ihe anwa n'afọ m. Number one, you're not the one who named my son Alfred. Don't you ever call my name again. If you toilet ahụ, man sire, I won't do it. So, if you want that toilet to be neat, Oga, look for broom, carry bucket, and go and attend to that toilet. Don't try it again. Ofe
kpọ ọnụ m anya. O werela aka fekpọ ọnụ m anya. Can you see? Have you seen? Oh, Mama Boss. Well done, oh. Well done. Hey. Because of Cow ezigbo regret. Hey, madam. Mama Fred. Yeah.
Every offense he gets in own penalty.
What kind of problem have I gotten myself into? I have completely lost my respect from Fred and his mother in this compound just because of few minutes happiness. Come on to go clean up the toilet and bathroom, which is her turn today. She had the liver to ask me to go and do it myself. Anyways, thank God Mama Boss has done it. Very soon, landlord and Mr. Linus will ask for his money, his house rent. How do I make up this huge amount this woman and her son are owing now? Because the way I'm seeing it, they have no plan of paying it. With the character displayed today by Fred, it is obvious that he is aware of my affair with his mother. And if Mr. Linus, the landlord, hear this, I will not finish with that. Which face will I have to give others in this compound again? My God, if I had known, I wouldn't have asked the woman for any relationship. I never knew it's going to be like this. Chai, I just lost my dignity in this compound because of woman's goose. I pray it doesn't get to my place of work. Maybe I should borrow money and just pay Ogalilons this house rent and find a way for them to pack out of this compound. Yes, that will be my next move. Before this woman could just make for my hand for nothing.
Hey, compound people, Mona, see you. I can't keep quiet. Oh, look at the toilet that I washed today with my 2 hands. Somebody has gone there to mess it up. Oh my God, I can't keep quiet. Where is everybody? Compound people, where is everybody? Mona there. Hey, Mona.
Hey, madam. What is that now?
Hey,
I never tell you when I know they shout for this compound. What's the meaning of this shouting now?
Oga Caretaker, I'm not just shouting. And they shout for something. You get why they shout. See the toilet where I wash. Shebi na you say I wash toilet. I wash the toilet and bathroom. And you saw me washing them.
Madam, talk what you want to talk. No,
somebody has gone there to mess it up.
You say waiting. I don't understand. What's the meaning of that?
Come and see it.
Oh yeah, let me see. Meaning
come
what?
And see, come and see.
Meaning what? Onto what now? What's the meaning of that?
I don't know.
Jesus Christ!
Jesus, oh my God!
Jesus Christ! Which kind of rubbish be that one now?
I don't know.
Who do this kind of rubbish here?
Whoever that did this thing is a very wicked person. Who else will do it if not Carol? You are asking me.
Wait, Caroline.
You are asking me.
Are you
yes.
sure of this thing?
Yes, it's Carol.
Carol?
Am I sure?
Caroline!
What is the meaning of this?
Wait, I want to ask you. Have you heard that somebody went to this our toilet and messed up that toilet again? And there is no other person who has the capacity, and the impetus to do such nonsense if not you. Because you have done it before. So, how do you deny this one now? This second missionary journey. How do you deny it?
Mr. Caretaker, I will give you all maximum respect because you're just taking care of this environment. Whatever it is you came here to do and whoever it is you came with, I just want to let you know that I am not responsible for that mess. In fact, I have not used that place since today. So please, all this false accusation, I do not want it. Yes.
Madam, let me tell you. I will go door by door since you are trying to deny. I will go door to door now, asking everybody. After which, I will call a meeting. That is, if you still deny, I will call a meeting. Then truth must come out.
You can do what you want.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Lucky ghetto girl. Ghetto lucky girl. Complete ghetto with a touch of lucky.
I beg this na initial gra. Last, she got self say na she do.
Sure say na this.
Na she do am.
Make I go with Mama Ngozi.
Keep searching because I'll soon leave you go my room.
Where is Philip?
Keep searching.
Everybody come outside.
This one you're shouting, what is the problem?
Mama Ebuka, I withhold my apology. I'm not going to apologize to you for bringing you out. They hear me. Are you aware that somebody went to that our toilet, shit there, mess it up? In fact, you smell tear everywhere and left without flushing. Are you aware?
Toilet messed up? How? When? But caretaker, if the toilet is messed up, don't you know who did it? Must you disturb the peace of all the tenants? Go and ask Carol.
Okay. In other words, you are trying to tell me that it is Carol who did this. Now there's an emergency meeting. Go and call your husband. Madam, go and call your husband.
Who else?
Who is there? Philip! Hey! Emergency meeting! Everybody! Come outside. I call this meeting once more because one of you toilet, shit there, mess it up, and leave it like that unattended. Again? Hey. Hi. So the thing there is that everybody is pointing accusing fingers on Carol. And Carol has sworn that she never did such a thing. The people that were present in this compound when this thing happened are Mama Boss here, Adamu, Carol, and me. So I want to ask us first, between four of us first, who amongst us did this nonsense?
People should tell the truth.
Me, I don't know.
Why are you stressing yourself and us? All of us wey dey this house, we know who do am. Eh? Please give her the punishment that is due to her.
Madam, that do away. Who will do am? Who be that person wey do away they talk? Who be that? Not they talk that thing. See, things are not done that way. You cannot just point accusing fingers on somebody without evidence. If you sure say na she do am now, tell her say na she do am and you talk when she do am. What's wrong with you? No, don't do that. Okay, you people don't want to talk, Abi. When I don't want to talk. Okay, I know what to do. When I think say na joke, they joke.
This kind of thing don't
worry. Make I call some officer.
Why be say for this company? Everything that Hey! What is going on here? Yeah? What is going on here? What does she chop? I don't know. I think I say make these people they chop better food. They know they chop better food. Every time go they cook rubbish. See her now. Chop better food and they go grill.
And also, to the cook work. Hi! I'm not sure go follow your wife that the place they smell.
Hey! Is your wife okay?
Let
Let me check.
Hey!
The whole place is messed up. You're messing up the whole place.
Hey!
If you go there and see how this whole place is messed up, eh?
Hey! Oga Shagu go, Kwado, follow your, go help your wife. Where could I go?
Everything go quite well. Full everywhere. They chop rubbish.
Your fine is 30,000.
Quite well. Full everywhere. Chop rubbish.
Hey!
Shit, baby. I want to see my mommy. Shit. Shitty, grandma. I want to see my mommy. Shit. Poo, mommy. I want to see my grandma. Shit. Poo, mommy. I want to see my grandma. Shame. Poo, mistress. I want to see my mommy. Shame. Shame. Big fat bumble. Shame. Poo, mommy. Poo, grandma. Poo, mistress. Shame. Poo, grandma. Look at her. Poo, shitty. Smelling poo. Messy. Shame. Nonsense.
Baba Shebu,
Oga caretaker.
do you know why I called this meeting?
What's it?
I called this meeting because it seems you and your wife has forgotten the rules and regulations guiding this compound. It is written that no tenant in this compound is allowed to steal, lie against fellow tenants, or fight.
Bene.
Anyone who tries any of this must be forced to pay the fine of 5,000 naira. What did your wife do? Your wife lied against Carol, thereby failing one of our most respected rules in this compound. So you are going to pay that 5,000. Then your wife has to apologize to Carol, who she lied against. Did you hear me now?
Oga caretaker. I am aware about this rules and regulation guiding this house. I know that Oga Livinus put these rules and regulations himself. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, Oga caretaker, ẹ má bínú. Sórí olójú kòǹgbà yìí, òun ló dàgbò wàhálà ilẹ̀. Kí n gbájú ẹ fún ẹ, kí ló ń ṣe ẹ́? Máa wojú ẹ. Mo ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ, ó tún ṣe nǹkan mi. Oga caretaker, ẹ má bínú.
You want to fight her?
No, mo fẹ́ nà ni.
No, fight her.
I
Let me increase the money to 10,000.
Oga caretaker, ẹ má bínú. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ ni pé, you see, as for my wife, she will apologize to Carol. She must apologize to her. Yes, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Tó bá ṣe, I will beat you, Manuel. She must apologize to Carol. And as for that fight, you know, things are very tough nowadays in this country. And it has not been that easy. So that 5,000 naira, please, Oga caretaker, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ kó jẹ́ 3,000 naira. I will pay. Kó jẹ́ 3,000 naira, I will pay. And ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, ẹ má dẹ̀ kí Sir Livinus, don't let him know about it. Oh, let it be between me and you.
I want to ask you something. It seems you are afraid of Oga Livinus and you are not afraid of him.
Òun ló nílé. He's the landlord.
Wait, have you forgotten the fact that I'm the deputy landlord of this compound? That I can just escalate whatever you say there now. Just send it as mail to Oga Livinus.
Ṣó ti wá tó bẹ́ẹ̀ ni?
Maybe as voice note or text message. Think I'm joking with you?
No, kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ now. Kò tó yẹn.
Okay, I've heard what you said. I am going to collect the 3,000 naira. Not because of all these things you just said, because of the situation of this country, which you mentioned. I'll collect the 3,000. But if your wife tries any of this rubbish again, you will pay times 3 of whatever you are paying now. Can I have the 3,000?
The 3,000 tó yẹ kí n lò fún bọ́sẹ̀ ọmọ mi. Now, òun la máa fi sọ gbèsè ń bí. Olójú kòǹgbà máa gbojú ẹ̀.
Oh, you have more money. Out of wickedness, you decided to pay only 3K. No problem. Add 1,000 there.
No, eléyìí máa lò nílé. Ọmọ mi máa jẹun. She will eat. Bọ́sẹ̀ will eat now.
Go and call Carol for me.
Carol!
Your own is just to put your husband in trouble every minute. You no get work. No only to dey put any small money wey you make, you go use problem collect am. Caro, my dear, please come. Just come. My dear, please don't be angry. I brought you here for Mama Boss here to apologize to you for accusing you wrongly. Oh yeah, apologize to them.
Oh yeah, apologize, you see now.
I'm shy.
I'm sorry.
I'm
shy now.
Not buying no phone.
I'm forgiving you.
What did I read you? You are forgiven now.
I said I am forgiving.
Just ben. O ṣe gan ọmọ gidi. Ọmọ pupa robo robo.
You can go, my dear. Okay. Thank you. Baba Shegu. You both can go. She has forgiven you. Come. So go market, go buy truck, keep for her.
You see? Show the theory. You see what you are causing me in this house? Oloju pako. You see what you are causing me? 3,000 naira just gone down the drain like that. Let me tell you, that money is for 2 days food in this house. Toba just be causing more troubles. Because more troubles. You that is not even ashamed of yourself. Look at her. Nonsense, Oniranu.
Thank you.
Mama Boss said, I just said I should come and discuss this with you.
See that lady called Carol. Let her be. She hasn't done anything to you or done anything bad. The more you try to hurt her, you end up hurting yourself. This is all I can tell you. Please, let her be and mind your own. Stay on your own. Mind your own business. The meaning of township is mind your business. This is all I can tell you. As your fellow woman and as a good neighbor. Okay? Okay, I'm going.
Oga, I'm hoping that this thing where you dey give me is go work.
Okay, my sister. By the time I just take and finish, see, before you take and shake hand like this, take and everything like this will wash come out.
And now why your hand dey touch my breast?
Give me something. You talk easy. Freddy.
Who be that girl? I like him. She fine.
You like him? What's on now? But wait, make her tell me something. I need to get her for money.
I think of some money for this thing.
Okay, Freddy. See this one? They talk, they ask what we concern money for this one. It is a fine boy, that fine baby she go chop. I mean, fine boy, now that fine baby she go chop. Hey! Well, thank you for today. At least I don't wait 500. Small, it's coming up.
Yeah, hello. Excuse me. Yes. My name is Fred. I saw you when you came to buy something from our place. So let me see you, talk to you.
Oh, you live there?
Yes, I live there.
I see.
Okay. So what's your name?
My name is Nancy, but my friends calling me Nana.
Okay. So what do you do?
I sewing clothes.
You sew clothes? That means you're a tailor?
Yes, I'm a terrorist.
Terrorist?
I sewing clothes.
Okay, I forgot something before I came out to look for you. Okay, you can take care of yourself, eh? You see you later, alright?
Okay. Are you going?
Don't worry. Take care of yourself.
Are you going now? Eh? Okay now. If you go, me too, I'm going. Bye bye. Safe journey.
See the problem. I took him.
Adam.
Mama boy so.
Adam.
Eh.
Shebi you tell me say that medicine when you give me go make me go toilet on your once.
I one toilet I go now.
So wetin happen? Eh? You see the kind of embarrassment where you they cost me like this.
Mama boy so. See, Moka telling me something. You see that particular medicine where I give me. Now the one where I will take go toilet once. Maybe as I go the toilet, I never finish them. Now the remaining one where I go again, they shoot down like that, you know. I know. No best.
Or there.
Yo, when I descend they telling me
they talk rubbish.
Yeah.
You gave me an overdose.
Okay.
Adam, you won't kill me. Why? Waiting I'll do you. Hope you overdose you give me like this.
No worry about those songs.
Adam, I trusted you. And you disappointed me. Why?
Okay, madam, I know they talk. You say disappointed me. I never disappoint. I can never disappoint you. Well, later, trace me. That's it. It will like say the remaining one where I go complete. But now once it's about shit town. But it will like say you know shit town finish for the first time where I go finish them for the second. Okay, Freddy. Freddy, one. I get them for the babies. I get them.
Which kind of medicine that girl come by for me?
I don't get the babies.
Huh?
I get the babies.
Which kind of medicine the girl come by for me?
My brother and I gonorrhea. The girl carry big gonorrhea. Big one, you big like this.
Huh?
What happened?
Hey, thank God.
What happened?
Hey, no worry, leave that one. Hey, go to what?
Gonorrhea.
Have to be careful.
Help!
Yeah, come my house on.
I got more eyes on you. That baby's not better gonorrhea. Original one, professional gonorrhea, and then she carry. Well, no problem, I go care with my medicine. We got Fred.
Are you?
I love you. We got Fred. You get one fine year in your way there outside. I said, just come. If you see the babies, wallahi, you go just fall in love.
What's she doing?
She did, I said, the girl fine well when I said she stand everything, stand like this.
Ah, she fine.
Wallahi, the girl carry Champions League Premier League.
Let's go see her.
We could go tell her the first. Babies, you see this particular one? Eh? By the time we go take and finish, he go shop, he go shit, he go sleep, he go relax myself like this. Don't worry. See, this one. Yeah. Shake on. Before you go take her, you go shake on like this. You will take.
Adamu,
yeah.
So you mean say if I take this thing now, I'll be able to eat very well, like I will have appetite to eat very well.
Hey, babies, make her telling me something. By the time where I don't take this thing finish, my second name will be happy tight. Happy tight. It go show what you know good tomorrow. Well, babies.
Adamu.
Yeah. Okay, Freddy.
What happened now? Why did you go back now?
Don't worry myself. Huh? It's coming. It's like say I forget something inside. It's coming. Just relaxing myself.
Okay.
Babies, don't worry. Come and sit down and relax myself. It's coming.
So I should relax myself.
Just relax myself.
So I should sit down.
Sit down. Just make myself comfortable. Just relax myself. If they come, I won't bring something inside.
Adamu.
Babies.
I will wait for you.
Yeah.
Oh, Adamu, what's his name?
My friend? His name now, Freddy.
Fred.
See, make I tell you, Fred, you no get am for problem at all for this life. Fred is the only person where you could feel fall in love. See, make I tell me something. The kind brain where Fred get for this life, let's tell you, nobody will get down like him. Eh? Fred, Kai is a professional. Kai, you don't trust me. Babies, just relax myself. And just relax myself. Sit down and do what? Relax myself. Sit down and do what? Relax myself. Sit down and do what? Relax myself. No worry.
Why?
Okay, Fred. Okay, Fred. Okay, Fred. What happened now? The babies are still wait for me outside. What happened?
Why? You still there wait?
What happened?
Is she still there?
The babies are still there outside. They wait for me since. Why no one can see me?
Why is she waiting?
Wait, you know you say they look for fine babies. Where fine? Where go plenty?
And the man don't know where you carry that girl come. In fact, I'm not interested. Tell her I don't want a girl.
Huh?
Tell her I don't want. I don't want.
So you don't want to go?
Uh-huh.
No, you tell me say they look for fine babies, fine woman. Where can I go look for me? I don't bring fine babies for me now. I say no want to go. What do you want to tell
I know they look for woman again.
I tell her she no want woman again.
I don't want.
No. Okay, Freddy, what thing are they doing? You no good. Fine babies like that, now you don't they reject. It's no fine. No.
Me wahala. I say I don't want.
That girl go the drip. You go the drip. You say no like come.
Make the drip. You join and drip.
Which can't tell me this
Then
one.
I say don't they misbehave. You get mission, Abi. Don't forget I got my eyes on you. Nonsense. Don't they misbehave.
Oya pay your NEPA bill. Where una dey? Oya everybody. NEPA bill. No time to waste. Madam.
Okay, caretaker.
How you doing, man?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Oya, you hear my voice now?
Here is our own money.
Confirm. I like you. You be one of the tenants who know they stress me for this compound. Just say you get plenty fighting spirit. Small thing, you don't they fight. But it's okay. Thank you, eh? God bless you. Oh yeah, NEPA bill. Next person. NEPA bill. Oh yeah, everybody. Where are they? Adamu. Come.
Get the guy late. Good morning.
I don't go check you for a shop. You know go. Bring your NEPA bill. They pay NEPA bill now.
Get the guy late. Now today, I need to pay the NEPA bill.
No, na next 2 years. In fact, make we wait till you pack out before we pay am. Wetin dey worry you? Which kind of question be that one? Oga, give me your NEPA bill. They talk rubbish.
I know what's going to happen. I get that landlord. Go to collect for other neighbors. Where you will come my shop. By that time, customer will don't come.
You say what?
Eh.
I will not take that one. That one that you say that by that time, customer don't come. I cannot wait till customer come. Go and bring money from the one you sold yesterday. I don't want to wait for you. They hear me? Like say, na cover the day your head. Come on for here.
Get the landlord.
Andrew!
Every time you
NEPA bill! Where you there?
That beggar, I said I don't have money. For very soon I will pay. I'm expecting somebody a few weeks now. I don't know why you're disturbing yourself, eh? In a few weeks I'm expecting something. When it drops, I'll drop the money. Sure, go away.
Fred! How many times did I call you?
3 times.
3 times. See, Fred, let me tell you. It's because we are friends, so. And you see this our friendship, you don't abuse them. You don't abuse this our friendship. See, I'm giving you 3 weeks, so after 3 weeks, if you don't pay this money, you see this money, I don't get endurance for you. Wait. If you don't pay this money in 3 weeks, my Abba, to God who made me, what thing I go do you? Make I put them for free.
Well, I can't take it. Let me just be sincere to you. I and my mom will no longer pay for rent in this house again.
You see?
Until we finish our unfinished business. Otherwise, Oga Levinus will judge the case.
No, what you just talk now?
I don't tell you finish.
I don't understand. What's the meaning of that?
Oga Levinus will judge the case.
Waiting be that thing what Oga Levinus go judge. Make we kukuma talk and waiting be that. That thing you think you know.
No longer pay house rent.
Okay.
Oga Levinus.
Kaka, my beautiful tenant.
Good afternoon, Mr. Aaron.
Kaka, hey, my beautiful tenant.
Oh, excuse you. Who's your tenant? You're just an ordinary caretaker.
What's the meaning of that? No, why do you keep reminding me? If I'm the caretaker, and then what thing can happen? What was that? Why are you reminding me that I'm the caretaker? Let me even ask you. If the president is not around, what happens to the vice? Maybe the vice will take over. The vice will take. It's not as if I'm doing this thing by force or I'm trying to place myself where I'm not. This thing is a normal constitutional something. It's a natural doings. If the landlord is not around, the caretaker assumes office. That is what I'm doing. So don't be seeing it as if there is something hidden behind whatever I'm doing. Something because I like you. If not, we'll start having problems.
Spill it, please.
Meanwhile, I'm going around collecting light bill, the NEPA bill. So everybody has paid except you, Fred, Adamu, and Jonas. So, how is your payment? What's your pattern of payment? Is it transfer or cash?
Hold on. I'm coming.
I should hold on here. John is wait, you are coming. Fred! Okay. No wahala. That.
Here. That's for Fred and I. Count it. Make sure it's complete.
I don't talk say Fred they owe you or they owe me. I say he's owing NEPA bill. Are you paying for yourself and Fred?
A wise man would know that.
Why?
Is there any constitution that says I cannot? Count it.
Okay,
and please make sure it's complete.
Come, if you pay for Fred, so who will pay for Adamu? Who will pay Adamu on his
That's
own?
none of my business.
Come pay now. As you are going about doing good. Come and finish it. Good Samaritan. Fredo, I see your hand though. I see your hand. Your hide and seek this thing. Girlfriend has done it again. No problem. That's Jonas. That one go pay 1 month life fee 6 times. We'll divide them. Hey, Jonas! Joe!
If you don't want to trouble over here, you go ready for wahala. Yeah, the way everybody na tiger. And if you not look for trouble, the trouble go find you come. If you not be your coat and auntie, go be the caretaker. I wish I had a bit
Lord Jesus.
What's the matter?
What are you doing here? Who are you?
What is it? What's happening?
Who are you?
It's me now.
How did you get to my place?
We met at Adamu's shop.
Me? I don't know you. I've not seen you before. I don't even want to know you. Please go.
Why are you saying like this?
Hey, don't touch me. What do you mean? Go leave here before my mother comes back.
It's me now. Don't you recognize me
I don't know
again?
you. I don't know you. I don't recognize anything. I've not seen you. I don't want to know. Please, leave my house.
Don't you recognize me again?
I don't know you.
So I should leave?
Yes. Go. Leave this place. Go!
If you not be your coat and auntie, you be the caretaker. I wish I had a bit easy. Every day, trouble, report.
What kind of rubbish is that? Can you show that girl my room? Eh? You just showed that girl my room without my consent, just like that. You want that girl to kill me?
Okay, Fred, why they talk like this? That small babies now you want to kill me. That small babies I know if you try on. You know if you kill me. See, man, telling me if that small babies killing me, that means I know be mom now. As I did this place, then the small babies come. He say, I dey look for that fine brother. We find your nervous. I tell I say nervous. He say yes. I tell I say make I look for room 4. And I show in my room. Now room 4. I tell I say make I go check and I no show in my room.
I no try my room. Don't be my room be new for. When you go tell him say make you go check. Don't be my room be new for. You dey here they say you no show my room. Don't try that rubbish again, no. You. Why you don't carry up? Don't show my room.
No, go for that side. Me, I don't marry. I'm a married mom. I get them for 4 babies for my state. Let's take that one.
Now you gonna show my room with all the makeup when fool and say when she ugly like what I don't know. Now you got the show for my place.
I know fun.
You know fine. Where you find?
Oga Fred, wait, make I advise me something small. See, make her tell me, you be like say you go follow that baby, so she get plenty money. Oh, one let trust me. Plenty money na that baby she get.
She get money?
Yes, so.
How you take no?
See, yesterday I come my show, make I come buy am for Marital. I said, buy Marital finish. I said, give me money, make I give am change. He said, don't worry, you can keep the change. You can keep the change.
I know the number. Give me the number. Get the number.
No problem, I go ice and once I come again. I said, babies, please can I have your number?
Make sure you find the number.
No problem.
Find the number.
No problem.
No, I got my eyes on you. Find the number.
I got my eyes on you.
I dey wait.
Okay, Fred.
I dey wait.
Okay,
My
Fred.
eyes on you.
No problem. Okay, Fred. I got my eyes on you.
What's that? What's the meaning of that? What do you mean by that?
You understand? You know the other time you just locked yourself up in the kitchen, just because of rice, chicken and juice. But when they say once beaten, twice shine.
Fredo, all this nonsense you are blabbing now, I want to ask you, have you paid your NEPA bill? You don't pay the company NEPA bill.
NEPA bill? The one Caro paid for me.
Oh God. My God. A matured man like you, you cannot afford, you cannot amount to anything, you cannot afford anything. Food, to chop food, Caro. To even buy soap to wash your clothes or bath, Caro. Now to pay your house NEPA bill, ordinary NEPA bill, you are still talking about Caro. Hi God. You see you see that your motive behind this entering of Caro's house, Very soon, I will know what is going on. Because I know something is going on.
Caro is kind. She understands the condition of I and my mama.
Abi?
That is why she's been kind to us.
Yeah, it's true.
Are you jealous?
Are they Chris? No, I'm not. But let me tell you, Shebi, you know that I'm a sergeant. I'm a police officer. Don't worry, see your case with Caro. Very soon I will investigate. I will go deep into that case. I will bring out the root, everything that is going on there. I will show you bit by bit. Then you go know serve the officer.
Maybe you can also call for meeting in this compound so that you discuss the matter and explain to the people what you know about my mother. Since you think you are the only person that investigates people's secrets. Let's tell the world what we do.
I know they talk again. It's okay. Okay, don't make I go station,
I got my eyes on you.
Make I go station.
Investigator, are you sure it's not a NEPA bill that this man is enjoying flexing with? Embezzling like this? Got my eyes on you. Got my eyes on
Angel, anything you want, just mention it. I am here. Daddy Eze is here.
I know.
You know, I see the big after this. I said, keep drinking, keep enjoying. Once you finish this, I will order Nkwobi. After Nkwobi, is you. Tell me, what do you want?
I trust you.
Chop some money. Chop money.
And they enjoy your money.
Chop money.
Don't worry, I go give the hot pot. I go give the hot pot. My fine boy.
Touch me. Touch me. Massage.
So this is where they come to enjoy their life. Enjoy yourself, my baby. Let's see this one. See.
Hello? Mama boss. Call my maid, come. You see that bar for that junction? The one near Slot. That road straight towards the end. The shop there by your left. Where then they say pepper soup, pami and everything. Your husband there now. You dey waste on a life savings. On a life savings, they go down here now. They come, he carry girl. Pay no. This one you use like 20 years, is senior ram. They come. Call the other woman, two of them. On her husband, they are going through a lot here. They are seriously going through a lot. They come. Are they here? Look at the watch them. Thank you. Run. My tenant leave them. God go use their wife to catch them in there.
Hey, who go? Eh?
Egba mi o! What Baba boss say? Wetin be this? I dey ask you if I dey. Wetin be this?
Landlord don't come. Oh wow. Uga landlord. I'm very, very happy to see Uga landlord today. Uga landlord. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. Adamu?
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You good?
Yes, Uga.
Let me see the other tenants.
No problem, Uga. Welcome, sir. Oh! Uga landlord. Hey! Uga landlord, don't change your motor. Don't change another one. Money good, oh. Big my life. See, I don't go relate like this. Big my life, sweet. Don't wait for another motor. No problem.
I've heard all you said. Everything boils down to inappropriate care of this compound that I left in the hand of my caretaker. Caretaker,
Sir.
I am highly disappointed in you. How could you have done this? You reported Papa Buka and Papa Bosse to their wives.
Yeah.
Are you aware of the consequences of your actions? Thereby causing fights in their various homes. You started sleeping with one of my tenants without collecting money from her. How could you have done this? I trusted you, and that was the more reason I put everything into your hand, but you disappointed me. Every money that she was supposed to pay, all the accumulations, you will now pay them. From beginning to top. I give you 1 week. I repeat, 1 week to pay every outstanding that said lady is owing. I made you my caretaker of this house without taking a dime from you. You are no longer my caretaker.
It's better like the next thing I go rest to the people every time.
Fred, from now henceforth, you are the new caretaker of this house. your neck, I confirm.
No problem. I support him. Wait.
Yeah, Mr. Fred, I learned about your relationship with one Miss Carol that also lives in this compound. I assure you my support, my full support, if you have decided to continue with her as man and woman.
Hey! Okay. That's my son.
You may not speak.
Oh, thank you. First of all, thank you, landlord. I just want to say thank you for the wonderful speech. And that's for taking care of the house. I have accepted.
Yes.
And I promise you that I'm going to make the house, this compound, beautiful. I believe I will get the support of all the tenants here.
Yes.
And as for
No, they touch me. Why they touch me?
I just want you.
No, why they touch me?
Just for you to remain focused.
Why they touch me?
This is not the end of the world.
Come and pay your NEPA bill.
So thank you so much for that. And the tenants, may God Almighty guide and protect us to, continue this work.
But ó ti gba support wa.
We don't support you already.
And don't forget, I got my eyes on you.
Almost see wahala. Everybody blood they hot. Everybody eye they shine. Everybody they on guard on nana. If you no want to trouble over here, you go ready for wahala. Yeah, the way everybody na tiger. And if you no look for trouble, the trouble go find you come. If you not be your co-tenant, you go be a caretaker. The bitch can ya baby this you. Every day trouble, report. Every day trouble, every day not trouble. Every day if you no find trouble, he go find you come. Every day trouble, the bitch can ya baby this son. Every day trouble, report. Every day trouble, every day not trouble. Every day if you no find trouble,